Welcome to Wealth Wisdom 101. Today, we're going to follow the journey of Alex, who discovers 10 ways to make money from home without any effort. If you're looking for passive income streams or just want to earn some extra cash, this video is for you. So, let's dive into Alex's story. Dividend investing. Alex learns about dividend investing and decides to buy stocks and funds that pay regular dividends. By building a diverse portfolio of dividend-paying investments, Alex generates a steady stream of passive income. He researches high-quality dividend stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, with a history of consistent payouts, focusing on companies with strong financials and a competitive advantage in their industry. Peer-to-peer lending. Intrigued by peer-to-peer lending, Alex joins platforms like Lending Club and Prosper to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. By diversifying loans across multiple borrowers, Alex minimizes risk and earns a steady return on investment. He carefully analyzes borrowers' credit scores, loan purposes, and repayment histories to make informed lending decisions. Online surveys and market research. In his spare time, Alex participates in online surveys and market research studies, earning cash or gift cards. He signs up for platforms like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research, and complete surveys in his spare time. To maximize earnings, Alex focuses on high-paying surveys and participates in multiple platforms, ensuring a steady stream of opportunities. Cashback and rewards apps. Alex discovers cashback and rewards apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Dosh. He links his credit and debit cards to the app and automatically earns cashback and points when shopping at participating retailers. To boost his earnings, Alex strategically shops during promotional periods and refers friends to the apps, earning referral bonuses. Affiliate marketing. Alex starts promoting products and services on his blog, social media, and YouTube channel, earning a commission for every sale made through his unique affiliate link. He joins affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate to find products that align with his audience's interests. To increase conversions, Alex creates engaging content that showcases the benefits of the products and shares personal experiences using them. Print on demand. Inspired by the idea of selling custom merchandise, Alex uses print-on-demand platforms like Printful and Teespring to create and sell t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. He earns a profit for each item sold, and the platform handles production, shipping, and customer service. To drive sales, Alex designs unique and eye-catching products that resonate with his target audience and promotes them through social media and email marketing. Online courses and digital products. Alex decides to share his knowledge and expertise by creating online courses and digital products like ebooks, templates, and guides. He uses platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad to host and sell his digital products. To attract students and customers, Alex focuses on creating high-quality, engaging content that addresses the pain points and needs of his target audience. Stock photography and videography, continued. Alex focuses on capturing unique and high-quality images and videos that cater to specific niches, increasing the chances of his work being purchased. He also researched current trends and popular themes to create content that is in high demand. To further boost his income, Alex considers offering custom photography and videography services to clients. Dropshipping. Alex starts an online store and sells products without holding inventory or handling shipping. He uses platforms like Oberlo, Spocket, and Salehoo to find profitable products and reliable suppliers. He markets his store using social media, paid advertising, and SEO to drive traffic and sales. To increase profits, Alex focuses on finding high-margin products and optimizing his website for conversions. He also experiments with different marketing strategies, such as influencer partnerships and email marketing campaigns, to attract and retain customers. Renting out assets. Alex decides to rent out his unused assets like a spare room, car, or parking space on platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Just Park. He ensures his listings are well presented and competitively priced to attract potential renters. To maximize his earnings, Alex invests in improving the quality and appeal of his assets, such as upgrading his spare room with comfortable furnishings and amenities. He also focuses on providing excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews and repeat bookings. And that's the story of Alex, who discovered 10 ways to make money from home without any effort. Remember, the key to success is consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Start exploring these opportunities today, and you'll be well on your way to building multiple streams of passive income. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Wisdom 101 for more financial tips and strategies.